mom channels, and we're going to do this. I'm putting over my wall. Please share and subscribe.
What they should do?
Share, subscribe, and like the video.
Thank you, my baby.
Bye and share and peace. Hi guys, bye. We're gonna take a excited. Bye guys.
Okay. Thank you, Lenny. Kiss, kiss.
Mm.
Alright. So today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna make some wall art. I'm making a wall art for her bed. So it's a very easy thing. I didn't know it was this easy until I tried the first butterfly. So I will be making some more depending on how much this can make. Alright. So how much I can get out of this, that's what I'm gonna make. I'm not buying another black cartridge paper. So I will be working on it and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. I'm gonna do one for you and then I'm gonna show you the outcome. Alright, so first what you need to do is fold it into half, depending on the size that you want. I want this size again. I need another one of this size. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it like so. Then I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, man, I cut it next. Like, yeah, let me close the roadside. So cut, snip, all the way down. This mosquito, Jesus. So, I snip it like so. And then I'm gonna fold it like so. Maybe I get it a little bit bigger than the first one. So I'm gonna try to get it bigger than the first one. Maybe I should stick to this size. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna be cutting this into a smaller piece because I want it to be smaller. Don't mind the noise in the background. I'm a teacher, I have picked me. Yeah. So there we go. Cut it like so. And then I cut it like so. I know that I should be using ruler, but you know, just to show you how easy it is, we don't have to kill off yourself with a vinyl tape measure and all these things. All you need to do is just cut it and just draw the butterfly on it. Cut it, draw the butterfly. So I got 3 different pieces. 1, 2, 3. So I'll get 3 butterflies from this. There we go. And I just put them in one, one so, one like this, one like this. Then I just put them all together and fold it. Yeah, so I can just do one cut instead of putting them single cuts. So I do like so, like so. I'm trying to get it even again, kind of mess up. Alright, and then I'm gonna draw my butterfly, which is very simple. Once you can draw, you can do it. So I'm gonna try to do it as quick as possible. Then I show it to you what it looks like. Right? Go around like this. Like this. So that's the butterfly. That's what I drew. And then we're gonna get it snip. Then I'm gonna snip it like this. Just cut along the line, cut along the line.
Yes, collect it, collect it.
if you're strong enough, you can put more than 3 together. Or if your scissors is sharp enough, get me excited. You can just cut as many as you can manage. I'm cutting what I can manage, you know.
Mom,
It's funny.
what are you doing?
And then there we go. We have 3 beautiful butterflies. Not so beautiful. Alright. So I have another butterfly. Just another one here. There we go.
Butterfly.
And there we go. So here we have 3 more butterflies. Which is... Now I am going to get some smaller, tinier ones. We just do the same thing. So this time...
Something.
So right now, yes, so I cut it and I get a smaller one. I realize the little bump here kind of too, but if I'm gonna fix it up a bit. So there we go. There we go. Big butterfly, I love the one here. Yeah. So now I'm going to make some tinier ones. So that's the look I'm going for. What do you think? I'm gonna put it on the wall and then I'm going to give you a good view of what it gonna looks like. If you like it, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. And if you want me to come make some for you, you can just put it, place in your order. Place your order, your order, your order. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud to tell my buck, you know. Yeah. So here we go with the finished product. Finished product.
I'll pause this. I'm gonna take a bag excited bag.